Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the finally Friday edition. Thank God Friday's here. Well, let me show you what's going on. Let me tell you what's happened in the last couple days. I took the car to a buddy's shop after shop time, after work. We went ahead and hooked up a snap-on scanner to a snap-on smoke machine to the car. We ran it through the vacuum over here going to the back of the intake. We plugged off the intake a little bit, and I had issues. Out of the top of the TPS, a lot of smoke was coming, and out of the bottom. Now, I heard a vacuum leak over here up under the intake. It ended up being injector number 7. The O-ring smoke was coming out past the O-rings. That means unmetered air was entering, and I could see it. We had a flashlight on it, me and together. So now, today I went ahead and pulled this rail up and tried to fix that issue. As well, the throttle body was whistling because of the vacuum leak at the top of the TPS sensor. Now the TPS sensor and the throttle body, these are these Edelbrock BBK or BBK units. A buddy of mine just came over with a 331. His squealed and whined all the way over here. I heard it, you know what I mean? Well, anyway, I ended up putting back the stock unit back on that the gentleman had on before on the car, and I red siliconed the idle air control there, and I think you're going to notice a difference in the performance of the car, the way the car sounds. I haven't checked out and driven the car, but we're going to go ahead and start it for the first time, see it idling. So I just told you about what I did. So I changed the throttle body, I changed all the sensors, I did all this stuff. Now I should have no vacuum leaks at this time, and the motor sound should be a little bit different. So I'm going to go ahead and videotape that. Sounds like this is a vacuum leak. We gotta figure